Hey guys, George from Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, listen, we're here at Port Orleans French Quarter, and we've shown you a couple times different pools. Well, this has got to go down as one of the more unique pools we've seen, with slides that are gigantic gators ridden by Zeus. And then underneath the shell with a waterfall, they have alligators playing music. It is just a great space. They got these big areas and alligators everywhere. And so we just not seen anything like this. And then over here they got a splash park for little guys. Really just neat. So yeah, guys, George Florida Parks After Dark, this is definitely one of the more unique pools we've seen. So look, get out here to Port Orleans French Quarter and come grab a dip. You guys take care. Like and subscribe.